Have you ever wondered how the future of construction might be shaped by artificial intelligence? The answer lies in the potential of this powerful technology to revolutionize the industry in ways we can only just begin to imagine. Artificial intelligence is poised to enhance efficiency, dramatically reduce costs, and significantly improve safety on construction sites. Imagine a world where predictive maintenance allows us to identify potential issues before they even occur, saving precious time and resources. Consider the possibilities of intelligent design, where AI-powered software can optimize construction plans for efficiency and sustainability. Envision automated machinery, guided by AI, performing complex tasks with precision and speed, reducing the risk of human error. These are not just science fiction fantasies. These are real applications of AI that are already making their mark on the construction industry. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a tool that's transforming the construction industry one brick at a time. To understand the real impact of AI on construction, let's examine a case study. Imagine a towering skyscraper in the heart of a bustling city. This isn't just any building, it's a structure that has been meticulously designed and built with the help of artificial intelligence. During the design phase, AI was instrumental in optimizing the layout of the building. Sophisticated algorithms analyzed a multitude of factors, from sunlight exposure and wind patterns to pedestrian traffic flow and energy consumption. This allowed the architects to create a design that maximized both functionality and sustainability. AI also played a key role in material selection. It evaluated various options, considering factors like cost, durability, and environmental impact, and suggested the optimal combination of materials that would meet the project's objectives while minimizing its carbon footprint. Then came the construction phase. Here, AI was used for predictive maintenance. Rather than waiting for equipment